Yes guys, you read the title correctly. It's about time. We're jumping into a new Catback install for the Project A3. I'm super pumped. I don't even know what to say. Roll the intro. Alrighty guys, so if you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know that the Project A3 currently has an APR downpipe with the Miltech non-resonated catback. Excellent setup, quality fit and finish, just looking for something a little bit more aggressive, get some more definition out of those snaps and pops with the APR Pops and Bangs tune. So without further ado, let's go and get started on this Borla catback install. So now what we're working on is the process of mating the APR 3-inch downpipe to the Borla mid-pipe. As you guys already know, the APR downpipe is already a 3-inch pipe as well as the Borla catback. What we need to go ahead and work on now is to source a small midsection of 3-inch piping to go ahead and mate the downpipe to the catback. So how's that looking, Nick? We're just gonna go ahead and mock up our 3-inch pipe just to go ahead
and... we just gotta put an extension pipe here just so it'll fit a little bit better.
Yeah, I remember having to do that as well when we did the Miltech on the initial install, maybe about a year or so ago.
Oh yeah.
I had to chop just a small section of 3 inch just to adapt the two pipes. Not the end of the world, pretty simplistic as long as you've got the supplies.
Yeah, every exhaust is going to be slightly different. All right, let's chop her down. Alright. Oh, look at that.
Look at that perfection, sir. Very nice. So basically, what do we have if you look at it from left to right? We got the factory reducer there.
We have the factory reducer. This was the extension for the Miltech. This was the extension for the APR. And this is the one that we're using for the Borla kit now.
Very nice. Gotta have that proper adaptation.
Oh yeah. Perfect fit.
There we go. Gotta have that precision, man. Looking good. So getting everything mocked up here. Nice little massage, getting that axle back portion worked in. Just a matter of, I guess, swapping over the hanger brackets and that's it, right?
Yeah, hanger brackets and line everything up.
gonna look good, man.
Nice and discreet, stock looking.
That's funny, actually, when you look at this. I feel like these are very inconspicuous exhaust tips.
Very.
What do you think, Nick?
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, at a quick glance, you're like, ah, it's stock Catback.
It looks stock.
Yeah.
Until you get a little bit closer.
Yeah, that's like no Cerakote, no titanium, no burnt tips.
Nope.
No black tips. I mean, it's pretty much.
Yeah, it's pretty stock. It says Borla, but
yeah, you can't see it.
It's all hidden. It looks like a stock tip.
Yeah. Well, I think that's good. Very consistent with how the rest of my car looks, don't you think?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it'll go real well.
Pretty much looks about as bland as you can get.
Oh, there you go.
So unlike the Miltech exhaust tips, you can see these guys on the Borla, pretty straightforward. They're actually just welded to the pipe themselves, so really not a whole lot of adjustment to mess with. And I would say we're looking pretty clean. Yeah, go ahead.
Dude. Yeah, that's a good sounding exhaust, gotta say.
That thing sounds gnarly, bro.
Yeah.
That sounds gnarly.
Yeah, so like I said, they won't know up until you start it.
That's a massive difference. So much more aggressive, man.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Like the comparison between that one and this one is incredible.
Dude, I wasn't ready.
No.
I was not ready.
I was not ready.
I was not ready for Guys, we're getting ready to set off here on our maiden voyage for this Borla Catback. I'm super pumped. This is looking to be insanely aggressive. So let's go ahead and take a drive and see how it does. Honestly, my initial reaction so far for this Catback is this is far more aggressive than I originally anticipated. I gotta say, the aggression is just immeasurable. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, I looked at exhaust for a long time. You got resonated, non-resonated, this and that, but I'm shocked, honestly. I didn't think it was gonna be that aggressive, so. Big difference coming from the Miltech, I will say. Dude, those pops and bangs. Oh my gosh. Definitely getting a lot more aggression and volume coming through with the sunroof, to be expected. Wow, man. Just shocked. I don't know what to say, guys. I'm probably just making a bunch of silly faces and just carrying on with all these shenanigans. Love those little burbles when you kind of slow down a little bit. Guys, I wasn't ready, man. I underestimated the aggression. I can't emphasize that enough. Well, guys, as you can tell by the reactions, I'm just blown away. I'm shocked. This exhaust is just crazy. Honestly, if you guys have any MQB car, aftermarket downpipe, Borla Catback, and you want a ferociously aggressive setup, It's definitely a good way to get the job done. So thank you guys so much as always for checking out today's video. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.